Hey guys, it's Eric, and so for today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you could do the microwave challenge on TikTok. If you guys haven't seen this challenge before, here's an example right now. So that is what the microwave challenge looks like, and there are actually two ways that you could do this, or actually three ways that you could do this challenge. One is the one that I did in the example video, in which I didn't use any hands to move myself. The second one is like the trick where you like use something, you know, like no spilling right now. And the third one is just putting your phone in the microwave, and I didn't really do that yet. So today I'm gonna be teaching you guys how you could spin on this challenge without using any hands. And yeah, if this is your first time watching me, then hello to you. My name is Eric, and thank you so much for watching me right now. Be sure that you're subscribed to my channel and also tap the bell to be notified whenever I upload new videos. And if you did that, let me know that in the comments, because maybe you'll win the next shout out for my next video. By the way, shout out to these people right here for turning on my post notifications and being active as always. Thanks to these fam. And now let's get on with the video. So to do this challenge, you only need your phone and also yourself to be in the challenge. Like, what's up? Anyways, to do this, the first thing that you're gonna do is that you're gonna be placing your phone on a steady place, either on the floor, since you're doing this on the floor, or if you have a tripod, then use a tripod right now. But instead, your tripod's gonna be like only this little, so just keep in mind on that one. And this is all about the camera angle and also how you do it, so make sure your camera angle is the correct angle, and also I'm gonna be showing you guys how I do it. So let's go ahead and go into the floor. What I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna be setting up my camera right here, and it's gonna be facing across right here, and this is where I'm gonna do the challenge. Ignore the mess, my house is messy, but anyways, that's what I'm gonna be sitting, and I'm gonna be showing you guys how you position yourself so it looks like you're actually moving even though you're not moving. So that's fun. Usually when you film this thing, you have to be on the floor, like, obviously. And also one more thing is that when you're wearing socks, it's actually much better than when you're wearing shoes or anything like that, because it depends on your flooring in your house. It could make your shoes stick on the floor. Let's just say Crocs as my shoes. You wear it and you go like that, it like sticks to the ground. So you don't want that to happen. You want this as smooth as possible. Basically what I did for mine is that I went ahead and spread my legs together like FBI open up. So what's gonna happen is that your left foot is just gonna stay still like this, and also your right foot, this is where the job is gonna start. This is where it all matters. So when you position your camera, which is right here, and also you're filming this on TikTok, by the way, and if you need the audio, you can find the audio in my profile page and when I did a challenge, so you could just use that audio. And also you're gonna position your camera just right here, just straight ahead, just like that. This foot right here, you're gonna be moving this like that, slowly and also in the same pace, not going too fast or too slow. And then you're gonna stop right here. Once your right foot touches your left foot, what you're gonna do next is that you're gonna make your left foot like go a little bit like that. You're gonna make this leg slant down a little bit just like that, so it looks like you're actually moving backward. And also one more thing, you're gonna make this foot right here go up a little bit just like that while slanting your leg just like that. So I'm gonna be filming mine right now, and I'm gonna be showing you guys how I do it. One. As you can see on that one, I moved my right leg right there, and also while I'm getting close into my left leg, I started moving my leg down like that, and also putting my foot close to mine just like that. It looks like I'm actually moving. It's like, wow, that is how people do it. So now you know, I spilled the tea. There you go. If you tried, put in the hashtag #SkyesFam. Let me see what you could do. Like, you know, make me amazed right now. And I'm gonna be showing you guys one more way of actually doing this, and that is using your left or right hand depending on your position. For me, I'm gonna be using my left hand. Let's go ahead and do this. Again, go back into the audio, click on the record option. Okay, so for the one hand thing, the way people do this is that they go ahead and position themselves like that. And when you're putting your left hand behind you like that, make sure that it is not seen on this camera right here. When I start spinning, I'm gonna go ahead and push myself like that so that I could move that way, and it looks like I am rotating, and it's magic, you know, like what is moving me right now. So I'm gonna be recording mine right now, and I'm gonna show you guys how I do it. Just like that. There you go! Spill the beans! So that is how you do it with one hand, and I hope it helped you guys. Again, if you're gonna make your very own, put in the hashtag SkyesFam so I could watch your version, and I'm so excited to see them. I'm actually lazy to put back my camera and everything like that, so I'm just gonna end the video here on the floor. So to everyone who watched up to this point, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video helped you guys a lot. If it did, then let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Also, if you guys have any questions or anything like that, then be sure to let me know down in the comments. Or if you guys have any tutorial suggestions, then let me know in the comments as well, and I'll be reading your responses. If you guys have a TikTok and you don't follow me yet, then be sure to follow me at Life with Erick, and I'll see you guys there. And lastly, don't forget to follow me in all of my social medias, in which the links will be in the down bar below. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Okay, bye.